Hello, wonderful souls. Welcome to Ripples of Affirmations, your source of positivity and transformation. Today, let's embark on a journey to cultivate a supportive environment that nourishes your mind, body, and spirit. Join us for the next 6 minutes as we immerse ourselves in affirmations designed to create a sanctuary of positivity around you. Your journey to foster a supportive environment begins now. Instructions *. 1. Find a quiet space where you can connect with these affirmations. Let the words resonate within you, cultivating an atmosphere of positivity and support. 2. As we journey through these affirmations, visualize the supportive environment you desire, filled with love, encouragement, and positive energy. 3. Allow each affirmation to become a guiding light, illuminating the path to a more supportive and uplifting space. Embrace the transformative power of these words. 4. Share this video with those who may benefit from fostering a supportive environment. Like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more enriching content. Your support amplifies the positive ripples. Until our paths cross again, take care. Affirmations *. My environment is a sanctuary of positivity, nurturing my growth, well-being, and joy. I surround myself with uplifting energy, attracting positivity and repelling negativity. In the space around me, love and encouragement flow abundantly, creating a cocoon of support. I release any energies that no longer serve my highest good, making room for positivity and light. Every breath I take fills my surroundings with peace, creating a harmonious and supportive atmosphere. I am a magnet for positive energy, drawing in the support and encouragement I need. My environment reflects the love and kindness I cultivate within myself, creating a ripple effect of positivity. I let go of any tension or negativity, allowing my space to be filled with tranquility and support. My surroundings echo the affirmations of my heart, reinforcing a space of affirmation and encouragement. Positive energy flows freely in my environment, uplifting and revitalizing all who enter. I am intentional about the energy I bring into my space, creating an environment of harmony and support. The walls around me resonate with the laughter, joy, and warmth that characterize a supportive atmosphere. I release any clutter, physical or emotional, allowing my environment to breathe and exude positive vibes. Every object in my space carries the energy of love and encouragement, radiating support to me and others. My home is a haven of tranquility, where each corner echoes the affirmations of peace and positivity. I am deserving of a supportive environment, and I consciously create one that aligns with my highest aspirations. With each step, I infuse my space with love, creating a nurturing and supportive cocoon around me. I attract supportive relationships and surround myself with people who uplift and inspire. My surroundings are a reflection of my inner peace and positivity, a constant reminder of my strength. I release the past and allow my environment to be a canvas for new beginnings, growth, and support. I am a beacon of light, and my surroundings radiate the positive energy that dwells within me. I fill my space with gratitude, appreciating the supportive environment that nurtures my well-being. I am open to receiving support from unexpected sources, and I welcome the positive energy that flows towards me. My environment is a playground for creativity and inspiration, sparking new ideas and positive vibes. I am deliberate in choosing the colors, scents, and sounds that resonate with positivity in my surroundings. I infuse my space with the fragrance of peace, allowing it to linger and create a supportive atmosphere. I create a balance of nature in my environment, bringing in plants and natural elements for added positivity. My home is a sacred space, filled with the energy of love, comfort, and unwavering support. I let go of any limiting beliefs that may affect the positive energy in my environment, embracing limitless possibilities. I am a custodian of my surroundings, ensuring that every aspect contributes to a nurturing and supportive atmosphere. As I declutter my physical space, I also declutter my mind, creating room for clarity and positive thinking. The energy I invest in my environment returns to me multiplied, creating a perpetual cycle of support and positivity. I choose to be mindful of the media and information I allow into my space, curating a positive and uplifting environment. My space is a reflection of my inner peace, and I consciously arrange it to enhance a supportive and calming ambience. I invite the energy of abundance into my surroundings, knowing that a supportive environment nurtures prosperity. My affirmations echo in the walls around me, creating an environment that resonates with positivity and strength. I am a source of positive energy, and I radiate that energy into my surroundings, uplifting those who share this space. I am attuned to the needs of my space, ensuring that it aligns with my goals, aspirations, and need for support. I am grateful for the supportive environment I've cultivated, and I cherish the positive energy that envelopes me daily. My environment is a reflection of the love and kindness I extend to myself, creating a supportive haven of self-care. I infuse my surroundings with the spirit of collaboration, creating a space where teamwork and support thrive. I am conscious of the energy I bring into my home, workplace, and personal spaces, fostering an atmosphere of harmony and encouragement. My space is a canvas, and I am the artist, painting a masterpiece of positivity, love, and unwavering support. I attract abundance into my life by fostering a supportive environment that aligns with my highest vision for myself. As I release negativity, I make space for the miracles and blessings that a supportive environment brings. I am a guardian of my space, creating an environment that welcomes positive energy and repels anything contrary to my well-being. Conclusion **. Thank you for joining us on this journey of creating a supportive environment. If these affirmations resonated with you, we invite you to like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more enriching content. Share this video with those seeking positivity, and until our paths cross again, take care.